looking at the audit observation memorandum, nakita mo ninyo yan? Did you receive a copy?
Your Honor, ang sagot ko lang dito po, ngayon ko lang makita itong AOM. But then gusto ko sanang sabihin sa honorable body na ito, as of this date and as of this time, we are very much depressed. Hindi pa kami nakauwi sa aming pamilya, sir. Kung pwede lang, give us time to verify this AOM kasi ngayon lang namin nakita ito. Hindi na-serve sa amin ito noon. And we are not in a position right now to answer questions kasi very much depressed na kami. Worried na po kami. Please, sir, maawa naman kayo. Pauwiin nyo na lang po kami and then we will come back anytime na gusto nyo. Pag medyo stable na ang aming pag-iisip.
Okay, ma'am.
Please,
Isipin mo,
sir.
You were first invited here on May 2nd.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Totoo po yun.
Nakita nyo na yung transactions na 3 dyan. Andalin nyo na sanang chinek sa records nyo. Kayo na lang na 6 dyan, nag-usap-usap na sana kayo. Andali sana eh. Chinek nyo na sa records nyo. Ano nga ba itong transaction na ito na tinatanong ng Kongreso? Madali sana, pero ang unang sagot nyo sa amin, wala pang instruction si Governor Marcos. So, ayan, cool na cool kayo. Wala kayong problema. So, we reset it to May 19. Hinintay ho namin kayo ulit. 2 linggo. At May 16. Oh, May 16. Reset po namin, pero sinubpinahan na namin kayo. Hindi pa rin ho kayo nagpakita.
Kaya nga
Wait,
nagmamakaawa
listen to
po
me.
kami.
Listen, ma'am, para malaman po ng publiko, nagmamakaawa po kayo, but pity begins with yourself. Maawa ka sa sarili mo. So,
Opo, sir.
nasubpinahan po kayo ng May 14. O wala rin kayong problema. Wala ka rin sakit. Nandun kayo sa bahay nyo. Hindi mo na naman, you did not even bother to look at these documents. Ano ba itong iniimbestiga? Samantala, nawala na yung mga dokumento sa mga opisina nyo. So, finally, dumating kayo May 29. 27 days mula nung inimbitaho namin kayo. At nung tatanungin namin kayo, pwede ba umuwi muna kami para check-in namin? Hindi po, para nakakaloko po yon. So, I'm stating this on record para makita po kung sino ang nagkamali o hindi. I'm telling you, I am very confident that the Supreme Court will uphold us on this matter because yan po ang jurisprudence. So bakit hindi mo kasi sagutin? Now, I ask you, hindi mo maalala na nag-cash advance kayo, nag-grant ng cash advance, pambili sa mga sasakyan? I ask you, Ms. Batulayan, you cannot remember?
I can remember na bumili kami, sir.
Oo.
Pero yung vote share, hindi ko I'm not certain kung cash advance ang nagamit o hindi. Kasi sa listahan nga ni auditor, ang dami ng cash advances dito. Kaya kung pwede lang, allow us to go home first and so that we can give you a valid or totoong sagot.
Ma'am,
Sana.
sumulat yung auditor sa'yo early on. Can you give the letter to the... Sinagot mo yung auditor eh. Tingnan nyo kung paano kayo, you are really digging your own grave. Eto, sumulat po yung auditor, hinihingi sa inyo yung mga papeles na yan na kinalaman dito sa ina-investiga namin. Sinagot nyo siya eh. Ang sagot mo, wala na ho sa amin yung mga dokumento eh. We cannot produce that. But you had, ma'am, 27 days to look at all of this. Ito po. Oh. May 8, sulat mo, pirma mo. Address to state auditor, kasi sumulat si state auditor sa inyo. Sabi niya, address to the governor, May 4. Ha? Governor Amy Marcos, Governor. Attention, Eden Batulayan, ikaw. Back Chairman, Agkawili, nandyan. Joseph Castro, Supervising Auditor. Sir, nakalagay dito, in compliance with the unnumbered memorandum of Ms. Marilyn Liaguno, who is here with us, OIC Supervising Authority Auditor, we request your good offices the authenticated duplicate triplicate copies of the following documents. Una, acknowledgement receipts for 40 units multi-cabs, 5 buses, and 70 photon mini-trucks. Pangalawa, copies of disbursement vouchers pertaining to the cash advances, and their corresponding supporting documents. Pangatlo, copies of liquidation vouchers, reports, and the aforementioned cash advances. Pang-apat, complete documents in the conduct of the procurement of the multi-cabs, buses, and mini-trucks. We appreciate very much if the certified photocopies of the above documents will be furnished to our audit team on or before May 9, 2017, as the same have to be furnished to the Office of the House of Representatives. Ito po sinagot mo. May 8. Kayong dalawa pumirma, Eden Batulayan and Agkawili. This is to inform you that we cannot provide you the requested authenticated copies of the following as per your letter dated May 4. Yung 4 na hinihingi nila. For the reason, etong dahilan nyo, that the original vouchers are no longer in custody. These were already submitted to your office for post-audit. Ba't namin kayo pa uwing ngayon? What will you do? When on May 8, you had all the time to look for this document before you came here on May 29, hindi nyo tinignan eh. Andali nyo, matagal na ho ito. Ma'am, you are taxing the credulity or the patience of the committee. Kasi nag-usap-usap. Are you saying that even the governor did not call for you? Eh dapat nag-usap na kayo. Ano ba itong transaction na hindi po nakakapaniwala? Yung sinasabi nyo dahil iniimbestiga na kayo.